Local migrant advocates are reacting to the justice's order to cut the razor wire here in Texas along the border with Mexico. They say this will prevent more risks, injuries, and civil rights violations. ABC7's Juarez correspondent Heriberto Perez has the story.
This ruling by the U.S. Supreme Court will allow U.S. Border Patrol and other federal authorities to cut the razor wire along the border if necessary. Migrant advocates in Juarez and El Paso say government officials keep working to prevent more tragic events from happening on the border.
No quiere decir que con esto nosotros apoyamos una migración irregular, ¿verdad? Donde sea.
Father Francisco Bueno is the director of La Casa del Migrante in Juarez. He said even though they support this decision, it doesn't mean they will support irregular or illegal immigration on the border. Now that the razor wire has permission to be cut, this will prompt more people to come to the border to turn themselves in to U.S. authorities. But Father Bueno also told me these measures taken by the state of Texas were putting more people in risk every day.
Obviamente, pues es un alivio, ¿no? De saber que no van a correr un riesgo mayor.
Father Bueno said this is a relief because the lives of migrant families might not be risked anymore. But he still says migrants should not go to the border and cross illegally.
Donde pues estaban todos lastimados, cortados por haber cruzado el alambre de púas.
He said some migrants at his shelter have shown him videos of themselves injured or cut by the wire while trying to cross. They don't want migrants to suffer any injuries or violation of their rights. Currently, La Casa del Migrante is at less of its 50% capacity. If more migrants come to the border due to this ruling, his shelter is prepared to host more migrants if needed. In Ciudad Juárez, Heriberto Pérez, ABC7.
Thank you, Heriberto. CNN is reporting that U.S. Customs and Border Protection Commissioner Troy Miller said there is no timetable for the removal of razor wire at the border. Miller said this allows them to have access to the border so they can begin to operate like they did before. He added that the rest of the case is still under active litigation.